So this is a video. Let me just show you. I can't really zoom in since the game's playing. But they were saying, why don't you integrate this mod with these special thruster boots? Which got me experimenting. And so I just wanted to make a little video comparing with, without, all that sort of thing. So currently I'm just standard, just wearing standard stuff. I have my mod installed, but I'm going to jump off this ledge and not touch the keyboard. I think there's nothing under me. And so we all know what's going to happen. So that's what happens if you jump off of a ledge, even with my mod installed, if you don't touch the keyboard. So let this come back up. So now we're back same place. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, but halfway down my fall, I'm going to hold in the spacebar, which activates the jetpack. And with the jetpack sort of active, there's an 8-second, even without touching the keyboard, 8-second. And when it leaves jetpack mode, my velocity is set to 0. So I will jump off, hold in my spacebar. Took a long time to kick in, but it saved me right at the last moment. So now let me pause, go back to where I was. Okay, so we're back at the top. I'm going to come back over here to this comment, copy the command, come over here, you hit your tilde key, pulls this up, paste that in, boom, you see over added. Hit tilde key to make that go away, bring up my inventory, and now I can equip. As soon as I equip this thing though, it's locked on. I cannot get rid of it. And it's arguably not the nicest looking thing. But anyway, so now I'm going to jump off this ledge without holding in my spacebar, meaning my jetpack won't activate. It's going to get old. It's going to take forever. So this is that special thruster boot. And it's going to do this all the way down. Let me pause so you don't have to sit and watch this. That was interesting. It, what do I want to say? Reactivated, or turned itself off. I didn't realize it would turn itself off. Okay, so that's with that. Now those boots are equipped, but if I try to unequip them, it says nope, can't do it. They're a quest item or whatever they are. So while they're equipped, let me listen as I jump. You hear that thruster sound. So that thruster sound is coming from those boots. I haven't added audio to my mod yet. Maybe by the time you're watching this video I already have, but at the time of recording. So now what happens is both my mod and these boots are running at the same time, and they more or less play with each other nicely. So there I am. But now that they're more or less permanently on, I'll show you how to get rid of them if you want. So pause again. Hold on, I forgot to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and save my game. So I'm going to be saving manual 3. Save. Yeah, I like to keep a running. Yeah, I always save at the bottom of the screen. That way, if I mess one of these up, I can go back. Anyway, so I've now saved manual 3. That's my latest save. Quit the game. I guess I don't have to pause. It doesn't take that long. Next, there is this save editor project. So run that. Let me zoom in so you can see. Save editor project. Cool tool. You can use this. It's pretty powerful. You can use it. Say you have a character and you decide to change their appearance later. You can create a new character, extract the appearance out of that new character, and then inject it into your existing save. Things like that. Pretty cool. So after you've downloaded it, unzip the file, run this, load save, and it knows, I mean, as long as you sort by date, there's my manual 3. So, you know, call me paranoid, but I'm going to manually drag this thing off. It's just a backup. It hopefully never touch it again, but just in case. So yes, go ahead and open this. And as you can see, you can play with all kinds of things. But I go into inventory, and that particular one, I mean, you could look at, you can kind of tell, add inventory, Q115 thrusters, come over here, find that, you know, it's in feet, Q115 thrusters right there. So double click it. Is not unequipable. Is not unequipable. That means is equipable. I don't know. Anyway, uncheck that. Let me try this. It took me a couple times. Apply, close, save. 3, yes. Yes. Okay, now I will bring the game back up. Oh, maybe. And I'm making sure, I could have just hit continue, but I want to make absolute sure to load. Yes, I want to load that 3. And we're back to loaded. Go into my inventory, and with luck, I can get rid of it. Still has that quest. Had you checked the is quest item, it might have worked, but the first time I tried that, it didn't work. I had to go through this whole process twice. So I don't know if you equip them again, if they're gonna get stuck onto you or not, but you can always go back in and use that save editor to take them back off. So now I'm using just Jetpack, no boots. And I think that'll do it for this video.